Hello, my name is Liam Sherlock, and here's how I practice law. First, I make sure that I understand exactly what the client's needs are. Secondly, I make sure the client feels taken care of, and that primarily is communication. People want to know that if they have a question or a concern, they're free to ask it. Third, I don't like to sugarcoat. If a client comes in, they would need to know what the good as well as the not so good is about their case. And that way they can make an informed decision about how they want to proceed. Fourth, it's critical that the client knows they are the ones in charge. It's not the other way around. And they're going to be the ones that are making the pivotal decisions to resolve their situation. And finally, I love practicing law, and I love to problem solve. In order to do that, I have to know the law, and I have to establish and maintain excellent relationships with judges, opposing attorneys, staff, and building officials or government officials so that we can obtain the most cost-effective and straightforward result possible for the client.